Today, I did something insane. I cloned myself to see how far AI has come. See, what you just witnessed wasn't really me. It was a full-blown digital clone of myself. That entire intro segment that you saw, I never filmed that. I never spoke those words, and yet it exactly looked like me, and even it sounded like me, and most importantly, it moved even like me. And the app behind this madness is called Akool, an AI tool that's really cool. You see what I did there? This AI tool requires a regular video of yourself, a bit of voice input, and then does something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. It studies you, your voice, your micro expressions, the twitch of your eyebrow, and then simply creates your own clone. And when I say clone, I don't mean a cheap animated lookalike. I mean something really close to the real thing, like it's borderline creepy close. Let me show you. The results are both terrifying and amazing at the same time. If this is the future, I have no idea whether to be excited or very concerned. But at this very moment, I'm really excited to show you guys this amazing tool. This one is an absolute game changer, specifically if you are a content creator like myself. My name is Prithviraj and I create videos on productivity, tech and life. I partnered with Akool to create this video and they have something great in store for you. Currently, Akool is running a custom avatar challenge where you can sign up for Akool's limited time free trial. So sign up quickly and then simply create your own avatars completely for free. And then post a video with hashtag Akool challenge. The best and the most creative avatars will receive a free Pro Max subscription. Now that's out of the way, let me show you this amazing AI tool. So this is where the magic happens. It has a pretty straightforward UI, so you can get started real quick. We have multiple AI tools that we could use, like talking avatars, face swap, or even translating our videos into a different language. But for this one, we are gonna talk about how you can create an AI clone of yourself. The process starts super simple. All I needed was a short video of myself. Simply go to this segment called the talking avatar and then upload your video here. You can either create an instant avatar or even create a more professional studio avatar. Else you can go all out and create an ultra avatar, which is more human-like and has all the interactive gestures and emotions. But for this one, to make things fast, I'll be creating an instant avatar. Just make sure that you record yourself in a well-lit room in the highest quality you possibly can. And also please make sure you don't have any weird backgrounds. But for my case, I basically shot the video as if I'm recording a regular YouTube video of mine. Then I simply uploaded that video into Akool. It will then process it. You can also add your own voice sample. I just uploaded a 1-minute video of me talking naturally. You can just speak random stuff and record yourself. Just make sure you record clear audio. And within minutes, Akool created a digital version of me that could do anything I want. Anything. That too in my own voice. Let's try out a sample sentence at first. So this is the statement. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to do something wild. It will take a moment to generate the clip. But before we see the results, would really appreciate if you could consider hitting that subscribe button. For good luck. Let us check the generated result. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do something wild. The clone simply nailed it, right? Voice tone, well, it's perfect. Eye movements are spot on as well. This thing can make my life so easy for creating random videos. You can even make your clone speak Hindi, Japanese, Spanish, any language you like. So if you're running a brand and you would like to make content for a broader audience, then this AI translation feature can be a game changer for that.
तो अगर आपको सिम कार्ड सपोर्ट की जरूरत है तो दोनों टैबलेट्स आपके काम आएंगे। iPad 11 में पावर बटन पर टच आईडी है, जबकि Galaxy Tab S10 में हम फिंगरप्रिंट और फेस अनलॉक दोनों पाते हैं।
Let's talk about the quality for a moment, because this isn't just a voiceover with some 3D puppet. Akool's tech uses deep learning to map out the way you move, so it doesn't just generate a fake version of you, rather it generates a highly accurate version as you just saw. You can adjust the expressions, emotions, and even hand movements. For example, let me add this wave animation to this clip. The detail is that deep, and unlike other apps that takes hours to render, Akool does it really fast, like get your video done before lunch fast. This feature has to be a game changer for content creators and businesses in specific. But in case you didn't want to create an AI clone of yourself, you can also check out all the other ready-made templates that we have and also the other avatars that we can choose from. It will have you covered as well. Let's be real, who doesn't want a version of themselves that never needs a coffee? Because I surely do. So imagine this, you're a content creator, you have hundreds of ideas but only one face, unfortunately. One voice, one timeline, and everything is single, just like myself. With a tool like Akool, you can clone yourself and basically be at 5 places at once, make multilingual content, pre-schedule AI hosted updates, and even create educational videos while you're asleep. This isn't just about cloning, it's about multiplying your potential while still keeping your natural style, your energy, and even your personality. So yeah, I cloned myself using an app on my laptop, and now we have an AI version of me that can literally do anything I want, except maybe burning my sandwich cause I suck at cooking. This AI called Akool is simply an amazing tool, and And I have a gift for you. You can use this coupon influencer20 to get 20% off your first purchase. So how are you gonna use this app? To make content, handle your work calls, or rather prank your friends? Let me know down in the comments. This take is insane. I'd love to hear what you think, as this can really help you be more productive by saving time and help you focus on what matters the most. Click here on this video to check out 5 more amazing productivity apps that will change your life.